Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Students, in today's lesson we will learn the multiplication and division of negative fractions and mixed numbers. And this topic is on page number 14 of your booklet. Students, in it's same as we have done the multiplication and division of positive fractions and mixed numbers in the previous lesson, right? Here just we will have negative sign involved. Let's understand with the help of examples, right? Now, our first example is 3 whole number 2 over 3 divided by negative 2 whole number 4 over 9. Students, in the addition or subtraction of negative fractions, we have learned that first we have to expand the bracket. But when we have the multiplication or division, we will never expand the bracket, right? We will never expand the bracket. Here I am solving an example with mixed numbers. Similarly, you can solve the sums without mixed numbers or the sums involved only two fractions, right? The procedure will remain same. Here I am doing only one extra step, that I am converting these mixed numbers into improper fractions, right? By multiplying the denominator with the whole number and adding the numerator. Students, जो सम अभी मैं सॉल्व कर रही हूँ इसमें मेरे पास दोनों मिक्स्ड नंबर्स हैं, राइट? अभी जो प्रोसीजर मैं सॉल्व करूँगी बिल्कुल सेम इसी प्रोसीजर से आप क्वेश्चन वो भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं जिसके अंदर आपके पास मिक्स्ड नंबर ना हो, जस्ट फ्रैक्शंस हो, ठीक है? बिल्कुल सेम वही प्रोसीजर होगा, जस्ट जो मैं फर्स्ट स्टेप करूँगी वो स्टेप आपने नहीं करना होगा फ्रैक्शंस में, राइट? क्योंकि ये मिक्स नंबर हैं तो पहले मैं इनको चेंज करूँगी इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शंस में, ठीक है? सो फर्स्ट व्हाट वी विल हैव टू डू, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2 11 over 3, right? Divided by 9 2s are 18 and 18 plus 4 22 over 9, right? The next step, as we have done in the previous lesson, what we will do first, we will change this division sign into a multiplication sign and we will calculate the reciprocal of the second fraction, right? Division sign into a multiplication sign and the reciprocal of the second fraction, 22 over 9 will be 9 over 22, right? Now here you can see 11 and 22 both are divisible by 11, 3 and 9 both are divisible by 3, right? So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Simplify, 11 1s are 11 and 11 2s are 22, right? So write the remaining numbers, 1 over 1 into, as it's a negative fraction, so don't forget to write the negative sign, 3 over 2, right? आपने अगेन यहाँ पे वो नंबर्स लिखने हैं जो सिंप्लीफाई करने के बाद आपके पास रह जाते हैं, ठीक है? 3 over 2, right? Now you can see no more simplification is possible, so we will multiply the numerators. 3 1s are 3, as 3 is negative, so we will write negative 3 and 2 1s are 2. Now you can see 3 over 2 is an improper fraction, so we will divide, right? 3 by 2, ठीक है? 2 1s are 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, so we will write it into a mixed number, right? As our fraction was negative, So our mixed number will be negative 2. One whole number, 1 over 2 is your required answer, right? Now one more type of example, and the related question is given in your task. Negative 2 whole number 4 over 5 into square bracket negative 5 over 2 plus round bracket negative 2 whole number 4 over 3 and both brackets closed. Students, in the topic of combined operations on numbers, we have discussed if there is more than one pair of brackets involved, we will solve the innermost first. सबसे पहले हम किसको solve करेंगे? सबसे अंदर वाली bracket को, ठीक है? So first we will expand the round bracket, ठीक है? First we will expand the round bracket, right? So negative 2 whole number 4 over 5 will remain as it is into negative 5 over 2. Expand the bracket. Bracket means, yes, multiply, plus minus, minus, right? So we will write negative sign minus 2 whole number 4 over 3 square bracket closed. हमने राउंड ब्रैकेट को एक्सपैंड कर दिया तो हम उसको दोबारा रिपीट नहीं करेंगे. Clear? Now the second thing. First, now we will change these mixed numbers into improper fractions and then we will solve the square bracket first, right? So 5 2s are 10 and 10 plus 4 14. Don't forget to write the negative sign, okay? Multiply negative 5 over 2 minus 3 2s are 6 and 6 plus 4 is 10. 6 plus 4, 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 4, 10 over 3, right? 10 over 3. Now we have to solve the square bracket first, and in the square bracket you can see here you have two different denominators, and two different denominators means unlike fractions, right? We have two unlike fractions. So what we have to do, unlike fractions हो हमारे पास तो हम क्या करते हैं? We always take the LCM. Yes, right. We will take the LCM of the denominators 2 and 3, right? So first we will divide with 2 and then we will divide with 3 because we always divide with the smallest prime number first. So 2 1s are 2, 3 is not divisible by 2, so we will write it as it is. Now 1 as it is and we will write 3 1s are 3, right? Now the LCM will be equal to the multiplication of these two prime numbers or these two prime factors. 2 3s are 6. That means the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6 and here the denominators also will be 6. Okay. Now negative 14 over 5 as it is, multiply negative 5 over 2. We need 6 here, right? We need 6 here. So we will multiply our first fraction with 3 minus second fraction 10 over 3. We also need 6 here. So we will multiply our second fraction with 2, right? Now we will have the same denominators. Again, negative 14 over 5 as it is, multiply negative 5 3s are 15 and 2 3s are 6 minus 10 2s are 20 and 3 2s are 6. See, we have two same denominators here, so we can simplify the numerators, right? So first we will combine our numerators and we will write the denominator one time. Remember, we will never subtract the denominators, right? So we will combine negative 15 minus 20, right? Again, we have learned in the rules of the integers that if you have two same signs, क्या पढ़ा था हमने rules of integers में, अगर आपके पास two same signs हैं तो what we will do with same signs we always add. same signs होते हैं हमेशा हमारे पास, तो हम क्या करते हैं, हम हमेशा प्लस करते हैं, ऐड करते हैं, right? So negative 14 over 5 as it is, multiply negative 15 plus 20. Yes, it's 35 over 6. And don't forget to keep the sign of greater number. हमेशा greater number का sign साथ लगाएंगे, right? So now it's same like our this first example, right? Now what we have to do, we have to see if any simplification is possible. You can see 14 and 6 both are even numbers and both are divisible by 2. Yes, right. So 2 3s are 6 and 2 7s are 14. 5 1s are 5 and 5 7s are 35, right? So write the remaining numbers and don't forget to write the negative sign. Negative 7 over 1 multiply bracket negative 7 over 3, right? Now there is no further simplification is possible, so we can multiply the numerators and we can multiply the denominators. And one more thing, two negative integers. We have two negative integers here, and when we will multiply two negative integers, our answer will be positive, right? Minus and minus plus, 7 7s are 49 over 3 1s are 3, right? Now 49 over 3 is an improper fraction, so we will divide 49 over 3. Now you can see 4 is greater than 3, so we will write 3 1s are 3, 4 minus 3 1. Bring this 9 down. 19 is not divisible by 3, so we will think about a closer number. Yes, 3 6 are 18, right? 9 minus 8 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Again, we will write into a mixed number with the help of arrows 16. This 16 quotient will be the whole number. This one remainder will be the numerator, and this 3 divisor will be the denominator. So our answer is 16 whole number 1 over 3, right? Understand? Okay, students, if you have understand this topic, solve the task given in your booklets at page number 11 and page number 12, right? And if you have any difficulty after watching the video, or if you face any difficulty solving when you will solve your given task, you can leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.